Hello, I'm Dr. Devyani, and I'm happy to share that I have cleared my Part 3 MRCOG in November 2025. This was my second attempt at giving this exam, and I think this was my second attempt only because I did not find Pooja ma'am earlier in the course of my preparation. I started preparing for Part 3 in February 2025, but unfortunately could not clear in my first attempt. I came to know about Pooja ma'am's classes through the free group only towards the end of my preparation, and I found that her feedbacks were really very helpful. She gives a detailed feedback of each and every task, and she focuses on not only the task but she will point out what you are lacking generally as a candidate and what you need in order to succeed. So I really felt that I needed her guidance to clear this exam, and hence I took her mock exam in my first attempt, and she gave me many points to improve upon. But as I had a very short time remaining, I could not clear the exam in the first attempt. So I was really very disheartened after that because I had put in a lot of efforts in the first attempt as well. But this is not an exam of hard work. It is an exam which you need to know what are the points to be focused on in each task. After giving the exam, we actually don't come to know how the exam was until you are given the results. You need to know what points you need to speak in each task, what are the buzzwords, and what is that the examiner is looking for. This everything is told by Pooja ma'am in details. She will focus on not only the task, she will focus on you as a candidate. She will study you thoroughly, and she will tell you what you need to improve upon as a person presenting any given task in the exam. You are completely prepared when you go in for the exam. I was not very sure if I could ever give this exam after not clearing it in the first attempt. I had messaged Pooja ma'am telling her about this, my result, and she was the one who motivated me. She told that I just needed a little bit of polishing and I could give the exam again. Even on the day of the booking, I messaged Pooja ma'am if she felt I was good enough, and she was again there, always to guide and support me and encourage me in whatever obstacles I had faced. I decided to take Pooja ma'am's class immediately after the results came out, and I told her that I really want to pass this exam and I needed her support. I attended every class of hers very religiously, took all her feedbacks positively. And one more thing is that she is not a mentor who will just give you positive feedbacks and just say you were good and just motivate you like that. She will be the one who will criticize you, who will be brutally honest with you in her feedbacks, which is, I feel, is really very important if you need to improve upon yourself. And I just needed a mentor like her, and I'm really very grateful that I found her. And anyone who wishes to take any advice regarding Part 3, I would be just eagerly and sincerely advising you, please join Pooja ma'am's class. It is one of the best. She is the best mentor, and even if you don't have any study partner, she will be your study partner and she will guide you, hold your hand throughout this journey. And I think it is very difficult if you are in her guidance. It is really very difficult not to clear this exam. So please join her class and just blindly follow her templates. Everything is just like a bible. You can go through them, read them thoroughly, read them every day. All her tasks are written in such a patient friendly manner that you can go through it, and she will always tell you that focus on the task as a whole. Don't just focus on the domains. Look at it as a whole picture and imagine it from the beginning to the end, and it should be a wholesome task. So she is a really good mentor, and I'm really thankful to God that I found her at the right time. And I just have no words to express my gratitude towards Pooja ma'am. Thank you so much. And all those preparing for part 3 can blindly follow Pooja ma'am and her course. It will really lead you to success. I really thank Just MRCOG for all the efforts and Pooja ma'am for all her guidance. Thank you.